In this lesson, we're going to combine what we've learned, which is the left hand and the right hand in the past couple of lessons. You know, the previous lesson we learned about this with the left hand. And then in the last lesson, we'll learn about this in the right hand. So now we are going to combine both of them, okay? So that way, you know, when you're playing this on the left hand, you need to be playing this on the right hand because they both sound good together. You can mix and match them up after you understand the concept of it. So the first is when you start with the C, which is the C and the G. Now with the right hand, you hold the B, the E, and the G. So you hear that sounds real jazzy. Okay, so that's the first one. So C and G on the left, B, E, G on the right. Then you move up to the next one. D and A on the left, and then you have C, F, and A on the right. And then you move up. You have E and B on the left. And then you have D, G, and B on the right hand. Then you have F and C on the left. You have E, A, and C on the right. All right. Now you have G and D on the left. You have F, B, and D on the right. The next one. You have A and E on the left. You have G, C, E on the right. And then the last one, you have B and F. And then you have A, D, and F on the right hand. And then you're back to the original position, which is the C and the G and the B, E, and G. Okay, so again, let's just go through that slowly. All right, so there you have it. Now let's start from here and just go down. All right. So, you know, this is another progression of this chords, you know, that, you know, different artists use. And Alicia Keys, she used, you know, this progression in one of her songs. You remember that? So you're learning stuff that, you know, this, you know, big time artists are using to create, you know, awesome songs. And you just have to take that and, you know, apply it and switch it up, you know, to how you want it to be. But the key thing is you want to learn those first. And then you can be able to you know, as you learn, you know, you mix it up. You know, don't be afraid to try something new. You know, with music, if it sounds good, just play it. You know what I mean? If it sounds good to you, it's going to sound great to someone else. So that's how I usually do is when I'm playing something and I feel like, oh, this sounds good. I just keep playing it. So you take that, combine both hands. Now your playing should be at another level. You want to practice that. When you practice that, it sounds so much better because you want everything to flow. Once again with music, music is about flowing. It's about connecting. It's like legato movement. So everything is flowing. It's not just always so choppy. This is meant to be flowy and smooth and easy. Something like this. I'm just playing the stuff that I just showed you. And now I'm going to mix the stuff that we've learned before. So you make be creative. That's the joy about music. Be creative. Take this little stuff that you've learned, mix it up. Twist it up, and create your own stuff.